Seiko have teamed up with Evisen skateboards to create yet another fantastic looking Seiko 5. This one featuring a black and gold look, perfect for a formal event, or it could be easily dressed down as well. The first thing I notice on this watch is the strap. The black silicone features this beautiful textured pattern that goes all the way around the band. Very unique. The gold features really pop over the black face, which does include a day and date function. I mean, just have a look at these details. I could stare at this watch for hours. This watch really is the epitome of toned down class. There's an exhibition case back on this piece, so you can see the movement ticking over, and the Evisen logo sits on top of this. There's also an Evisen logo on the 12 o'clock marker. I don't skate myself, but I really like the look of the logo. This piece is a limited edition. Seiko have only made 1,500 of them, so be quick if you'd like to snap this one up. If you've missed this one, then you can head on over to shields.com.au and shop our entire range of Seiko 5s.